The new 2023 Mercedes-AMG S 63e Performance with AMG hybrid technology once again sets the benchmark in the segment. The E-Performance model combines the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine with the AMG-specific hybrid powertrain and a new expansion stage of the AMG high-performance battery. This increases the all-electric range to 33 kilometers. With 802 horsepower of system output and 1,430 Nm of system torque, the Saloon sets new standards in the segment. The acceleration of 3.3 seconds to 100 km per hour and the optional top speed of 290 km per hour underline the superior, dynamic driving performance. Systems such as the AMG Ride Control Plus suspension, AMG Active Ride Control roll stabilisation and rear axle steering as standard ensure a wide spread between driving dynamics and comfort.